5 trims, one completely reimagined compact SUV, and a price ladder that stretches far enough to surprise even the most seasoned shoppers. If you've been watching the small SUV segment closely, the 2027 Kia Seltos is going to stop you in your tracks. Each trim level is doing something specific, solving a different problem, targeting a different kind of driver. By the end of this breakdown, you'll know exactly which one belongs in your driveway. Number 5. LX. The LX is where the 2027 Seltos lineup begins, and it's worth saying right away, this is not a stripped-down entry point. It's the kind of base trim that makes higher trims harder to justify, which is actually a problem a lot of buyers are going to appreciate. Under the hood, the LX is going to run on a 2.0-liter, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder producing 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, paired with an intelligent variable transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but all-wheel drive with a locking differential is available, giving drivers in colder or wetter climates a genuine upgrade path right at the entry level. That locking differential detail is worth pausing on. It's not something that typically shows up at the base of a compact SUV lineup, and it signals that Kia is taking all-weather capabilities seriously from the ground up. Most buyers shopping at this price point expect to trade screen quality for affordability. The 2027 Seltos LX isn't making that trade. That new integrated dual screen setup, a 12.3-inch touchscreen paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, is standard equipment, not an upgrade. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included as well. The safety suite is covering the essentials too. Auto emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and lane following assist are all part of the base package. For buyers who prioritize value and daily practicality above all else, the LX is going to be a very difficult argument to counter. But a strong base is only the beginning, and the S trim is already waiting with a set of upgrades that make the daily grind noticeably easier. Number 4. S. The S trim is about refinement at the right price. It isn't making dramatic mechanical changes, but it's stacking enough everyday upgrades to feel like a meaningfully different vehicle, particularly for drivers who spend a lot of time commuting or running errands. The 2.0-liter engine and IVT carry over unchanged, and front-wheel drive remains the standard layout. All-wheel drive is still available as an option for those who want the extra grip without stepping further up the lineup. The powertrain story isn't the selling point here. The additions above the beltline are. Think about how often a phone dies on a long drive with no clean place to set it down and charge it. The S trim is solving that with a wireless phone charger, alongside a power-adjustable driver's seat that finally removes the manual guesswork from finding the right position. These are the kinds of features that don't show up in spec sheet comparisons, but make a real difference across thousands of miles of ownership. Starting from the outside, 18-inch alloy wheels and roof rails are joining the package as well, giving the S a more athletic, capable-looking stance while adding practical utility for anyone hauling gear on a regular basis. The safety net expands too. Blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic warning, and safe exit warning are all coming aboard at this level, rounding out the protection profile in ways the LX simply doesn't cover. The S handles the practical side of ownership well, but if what you're really after is a cabin that feels like a genuine step up in quality, the EX is where that conversation starts. Number 3. EX. This is the trim where the 2027 Seltos stops feeling like a practical choice and starts feeling like a genuine comfort investment. The EX is targeting a specific kind of buyer, someone who spends real time inside the cabin and wants that environment to reflect it. Mechanically, the 2.0-liter engine and IVT continue, with front-wheel or all-wheel drive, depending on configuration. The all-wheel drive versions of the EX are typically bundling in heated front seats as part of a cold-weather package, a thoughtful pairing that makes the all-wheel drive choice easier to justify beyond pure traction. In colder climates, that combination of extra grip and a warm seat on a January morning is going to feel less like a luxury and more like a necessity. Anyone who has shared a long road trip with a passenger arguing over the temperature setting knows exactly why dual-zone automatic climate control matters. The EX is making that feature standard, along with rear air vents so the back seat isn't left fighting for airflow on a hot summer afternoon. Standard cloth seating is gone too, replaced by premium Syntex perforated upholstery that changes the feel of the cabin from the moment you sit down. The difference in perceived quality between cloth and perforated seating surfaces is something that's hard to unsee once you've experienced it. Optional additions at this level push things further still, with a panoramic sunroof package and a heated steering wheel are both on the table, allowing buyers to tailor the EX to their specific priorities without jumping to a higher trim entirely. The EX makes a strong case for comfort-focused buyers, but if the idea of a bolder, more adventure-ready Seltos sounds more appealing, the X-Line S is about to change the conversation entirely. Number 2. X-Line S. The X-Line S is new for 2027, and its arrival is going to shake up how buyers think about this segment. Rugged styling in compact SUVs often means a badge and a slightly raised suspension. The X-Line S is going further than that. The standard all-wheel drive isn't optional at this level. It's the only way the X-Line S is being offered. That's a deliberate choice, and it reinforces what this trim is actually about. Paired with the same 2.0-liter four-cylinder, it's going to deliver confident, consistent performance whether the route involves highway miles or unpaved back roads where conditions change without warning. There's a certain kind of buyer who wants a vehicle that looks like it's been somewhere, not just something that could theoretically go somewhere. The X-Line S is built for that person. Unique front and rear bumpers, gloss black fender flares, and a dark gloss black grille are separating it from every other Seltos on the road. The exclusive 18-inch black alloy wheels and gunmetal exterior accents carry that aggressive aesthetic through the body lines, while black emblems complete the blacked-out execution that larger Kia SUVs like the Telluride have been turning heads with for years. Inside, exclusive black seat patterns and heated front seats bring the rugged theme indoors without sacrificing comfort, because looking the part and actually being comfortable on a 2-hour drive aren't mutually exclusive goals. The X-Line S delivers on style and capability in equal measure, but if you want the Seltos at its absolute peak, with genuine performance muscle and flagship-level technology to match, the X-Line SX is in a class of its own. Number 1. X-Line SX. At the top of the 2027 Seltos ladder sits the X-Line SX, and the gap between this trim and everything below it is wider than any other step in the lineup. This is the trim that refuses to compromise on any front. The powertrain change alone sets it apart from everything else in the range. The 2.0-liter engine is gone. The X-Line SX is running a 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, producing 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. That's a jump of 43 horsepower over every other trim in the lineup, and torque delivery from a turbocharged engine at lower RPMs means the performance advantage is going to be felt immediately, not just at highway speeds. Standard all-wheel drive is pairing with a specialized terrain mode, giving drivers genuine traction management across different surface conditions rather than a single blanket setting for every situation. Most compact SUV buyers have accepted that real performance and premium features don't arrive in the same package without a significant price penalty. The X-Line SX is pushing back on that assumption hard. On the outside, 19-inch black wheels and LED projector headlights are arriving as standard, while a Smart Power liftgate adds the kind of daily convenience that becomes indispensable fast, particularly when both hands are occupied. The interior is stepping into a different tier entirely. Built-in navigation and a Harman Kardon premium audio system are both included, elevating the cabin experience well beyond what the price of entry into this segment would normally suggest. Safety technology is reaching its highest level here too, with highway driving assist, a 360-degree surround view monitor, and a blind spot view monitor integrated directly into the digital cluster display, technology that until recently was reserved for vehicles in significantly higher price brackets. Every piece of technology, every styling detail, and every performance element in the 2027 Seltos lineup has been building toward this configuration, and the X-Line SX is delivering on all of it. What makes the 2027 Kia Seltos genuinely difficult to dismiss is how deliberately each trim has been constructed. The LX is proving that an entry price doesn't have to mean an entry experience. The S is adding the everyday conveniences that actually change how ownership feels. The EX is turning the cabin into a place people want to spend time. The X-Line S is giving the whole lineup a rugged identity that compact SUVs in this segment rarely commit to. And the X-Line SX is arriving at the top with a turbocharged engine, flagship technology, and a feature list that asks a straightforward question: what exactly are you still waiting for? The new generation takes Seltos to the very top of the segment, but several more models have the same aspirations. One of them is the Nissan Kicks, which you can check out in our next video. It combines practicality, technology, and overall quality that a few rivals can match.